We read about the sexual characters that whenever a person or a person or a child reaches the age of adolescence, then there is growth in the sexual organs in the teenager. Apart from this, whenever a child reaches the age of adolescence, then there is a growth of secondary sexual characters. So the secondary sexual means they are secondary, they develop apart from the primary. Primary sexual characters are the growth of the reproductive organs and the reproductive cells and the ability to reproduce. They are the primary characters. Now secondary characters are those which develop side by side. In chapter 9 you read that testes and ovaries are the organs which reproduce in an adolescent. They produce the gametes, the sperms, and this is common in the adolescence. Apart from this, there are some other characters which also develop in the adolescence. They are called the secondary sexual characters. Now, one of the secondary sexual characters which is seen in the boys is the growth of the mustache and the beard. The hair starts growing on the face. The growth of the beard and the mustache is the first secondary character which is seen in the adolescence. As these features help to distinguish the male from the female, they are called the secondary sexual characters. The boys develop hair on their chest. In both boys and girls, hair grows under the arms and in the region above the thighs and the pubic region. These are called the secondary sexual characters. They are called secondary because they are not the main characters due to the growth of the sexual organs. So that is why whenever a child reaches the age of puberty and crosses the age till the age of 18, then you will see that an adolescent has got growth in the face, the growth of hair on the face, and he starts having mustache, and they tend to feel that they are growing up, and sometimes they become conscious about their look, but this is a natural phase which occurs in every adolescent. The changes which occur at the adolescence are controlled by the hormones which control the growth of the reproductive cells in the body. The hormones are chemical substances which are produced by the endocrine glands in the human body. The endocrine system is a system which produces these glands. The male hormone or the testosterone, in the male and the female there are different hormones produced. In the male, the hormone which is called male hormone is the testosterone. This hormone differentiates a boy from a girl. The testosterone hormone is released by the testes at the onset of puberty when the puberty starts. This causes change in the boy about which you have learnt. Now what you have learnt, that the boys changes are that the testes start producing sperm. They are the primary characters. Secondary characters are that the growth of hair on the face, the mustache develop. Once puberty is reached, the girl's ovaries begin to produce the female hormone estrogen. So the male hormone is called the testosterone and the female hormone is called the estrogen. The female hormone estrogen makes the breast develop in the female. The milk secreting glands or the mammary glands develop inside the breast in the girls. So this is a secondary character which starts producing the estrogen gland, and due to the estrogen gland, in the estrogen hormone, the female breasts start developing. The production of these hormones in both boys as well as the girls is under the control of another hormone which is very important hormone in the human body, which is called pituitary gland. We will read that pituitary gland is called the master gland. It is found just under the brain of the human body. This pituitary gland produces the hormone, the pituitary hormone, which controls the production of both the testosterone in the boys and the estrogen in the female. So this is how the testosterone and the female hormone estrogen control and the ability of the boys and the girls to reproduce and production of the secondary sexual